everyone, let's understand human male reproductive system. In one of the previous video, we have already discussed about testes in detail. Today we will be discussing about accessory ducts, external genitalia and glands. Accessory ducts includes retitestes, vasa efferentia, epididymis and vas deferens. These ducts stores and conducts the sperm. It is vasa efferentia which emerges out of the testes and unites with the epididymis. Epididymis is located at the posterior side of the testes. Vas deferens arises from the caudal part of the epididymis and it ascends upward back into the abdomen and loops over the urinary bladder, and it receives a duct from seminal vesicle to form ejaculatory duct which opens into the urethra. Urethra originates from the urinary bladder and its ending has got opening called as urethral meatus. This urethra is surrounded by male external genitalia called as penis. Penis is a long cylindrical structure which has got some spongy erectile tissues, and when blood gets filled in these tissues, it helps in the erection of the penis, and that is very necessary for insemination procedure. The enlarged end of penis is called as glans penis, which has got a fold of retractable fold of skin called as prepuce or foreskin. If we talk about the glands, there are seminal vesicles, paired structures located at dorsolateral position of the urinary bladder. Then we have got one single prostate gland located at the base of the urinary bladder, and again a pair of bulbourethral gland or Cowper's gland which are pea-sized located below the prostate gland. The secretions of these glands is called as seminal plasma, which is very rich in fructose, calcium and certain enzymes. The secretion of bulbourethral gland also helps in the lubrication of the penis. Seminal plasma along with the sperm constitutes semen. I hope the topic is clear. Thank you.